How to install WordPress on cPanel with Softaculous. In this tutorial, I will show you every step to install a WordPress site by using Softaculous on cPanel. This tutorial is made especially for hosting accounts that have cPanel as hosting manager. First of all, to install WordPress, you need the cPanel URL, username, and password. You will need to connect to cPanel. So, let's go to the browser. Write the domain name and put / and text cPanel. Now, write your username and password and click Login. Find on the cPanel the Softaculous app. Here you will see the scripts on the bottom. One of these scripts is WordPress. Click on this. Click on Install Now. Now you will be able to set up the WordPress app. Choose the version of WordPress. My opinion is to select the latest version. Choose the protocol. I suggest always to use HTTPS. Also, choose your domain. If you want to install WordPress on the root of the domain, delete this WP directory and put / on it. Write the site name. Write the description. On the section Admin Account, you need to enter the username and password that has admin access to the site. I suggest using a custom admin username and password. Also, add an admin email. Select the language for the site. You can add different plugins by checking the boxes. If you tap on Advanced Options, you will get more info that you can change. I suggest keeping the info like it is now. Also, you can select a theme if you want. You can write an email to receive the full installation details. Click on Install. You have now installed the software. You see the site and the administration panel. If you tap on the administration URL, you will be redirected to the site and logged in. Now you have installed WordPress on cPanel with Softaculous. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.